Now, let me give you an inside technique here. This is very important that you understand this inside technique. You can host an open house. Go to any of your veterans in your firm, in your brokerage firm, whoever has listings, and ask them, hey, listen, how would you like for me to do an open house for you? You not be there. I'll do it for you. I'll market it. You can help me market it. And in exchange for me doing a open house for you, obviously your job is to sell a home. In exchange to do that, I can get buyers, right? So you keep all the buyers that come through the home. So again, that's a technique for a new agent to start doing open houses for other agents that don't want to do them and that don't do open houses, right? You find someone that's 30 years in the industry, and you're probably not going to find them doing open houses, but they may have 10 or 15 listings that you can pick out, maybe perhaps in your area, and do an open house and begin to market and advertise that property. Again, if you bring them a buyer, then you're going to get paid the buying side, and their objective will be met by selling the home. So that's a very good technique, approaching your veteran or your people that have listings in your brokerage firm and ask them to do a listing. Now, if you're in this open house and you're greeting buyers for the first time, the one question you're going to want to have to ask them is, what brings you here today? And then listen. This is what's going to determine how you're going to approach them. I'm in town, John, and I'm just looking at the area. I got to relocate here in about 4 or 5 months, 6 months. I'm learning the area. There's your expiration buyer right there. And then you can go into your script with them. You may have some buyer folders with you on the expiration, and you meet them, give them a card and say, listen, and you end up giving them that folder, and it entails what they need, right, about being in the expiration. Or they may say, I'm just here because, I'm a neighbor and I just wanted to see the inside of their house, or something like that, right? So, there's not much time. You can still be nice, cordial, give them a soft drink and say, look, make yourself at home, but you're not going to spend time with them in that phase of trying to secure a lead, okay? But be cordial and nice to them. And you can also give them a card and say, look, if you know anybody that's moving in the area, and again, they're potentially could be a prospect in the future. So you don't want to throw them completely out, but you got to be careful because you may have other people in the house itself that needs immediate attention. Again, hosting an open house, very good technique. I would definitely recommend it to help increase your potential when it comes to prospecting and getting buyers.